Hello, this is going to be more updates on the Unreal level with the heads-up display and user interface. Right now when we go into the game and we push play, we have a new game that'll let us play around. We have our options menu and everything kind of gets saved into its state, so we can see if we set everything here and go to apply, those functions will change. It's not going to be on full screen because it's on the viewport for Unreal, but these will be able to change. And if we come back and we leave it on the windowed, we can come in and apply it. Those changes get made. Our back button takes us into here. We can come in and collect our little ball coins, see if they update on the heads-up display. And collect all 6. We can see that we have the HUD being updated, a little ragdoll effect that returns you to the main menu. We can jump up and push pause, and we have a blurred out screen with our options menu from earlier. We can still make those changes. We can see that those actually get rendered off in game. And then we can come into back and we can either return to title or we can come back and resume game. So we got all the menus functioning for that part. Hit escape. We can see what's actually happening for our weapons blueprint. Our weapons blueprint, the blueprint for the widget on the options menu. We can see that we have our back button that goes to a branch from the Boolean function that we made for open from pause. And we can see that if it's false, it'll cast it to the GM Live main menu and give us the options. If we can see that it's doing it from the pause menu, it's a pause menu reference, and then it removes the visibility. And then in our actual pause menu, we have this widget blueprint for the options with the options menu coming from, it's open from pause on the pause screen, and that's our pause menu reference, targets itself, adds it to the viewport. We can see those are working. And that's how we're able to get our options menu to appear here. And when we're actually in the game, when we push pause, we can actually see, you don't have to jump, I just keep jumping. But when we press P on the keyboard and pause, we can see that's where this one's coming from, and applying the setting stays the same. If it's paused from our, the options menu is from the pause screen, that's why that Boolean was there. And that's how we're actually able to get everything to work inside for Unreal.